I have the Sony Pulse 3D headset, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove these pads. Okay, so in case you want to replace or you just want to remove and check something in there, then here's how to remove them. So all you have to do is just grab the pad and separate it at this line. So just grab and pull out like that. You're gonna hear and feel it separating like that, and then you can just keep doing that, and the clips are going to release. So these are the clips. Okay, this one's here, and they go into these clip holders all around the pad. So now you can have a good look at the inside of the pad. It's going to be writing, and if you have others, then that's how to remove them. Now when you're putting them back, just make sure you're putting the correct ear cap back to the right side. So inside they've been labeled. You can see this one is R, this one is gonna say L for left. And also you'll notice that this cup, or this ear cap with the padding, is not symmetrical. So for instance, you can see this side has more plastic than this side, so it's not symmetrical. Now if you look on the inside of this thing, you can also see it's not symmetrical. This side has more plastic than this side, and that's how you know how to put it back. So when you're putting it back, you're gonna put the side with more foam. Like this side, you can see it has more foam. This extra foam will lie on top of this plastic. So this is how you put it back, like that. Okay, that's how you know how to put it back. And then once you align it, make sure you align these clips with a clip holder here. So just align. If you align one, the others are going to get automatically aligned. And then once you align them, just put some pressure, just press it, and you'll hear it click in place. Like that. So that's in place. Then you can come to this other side. There you go. You might need to apply a bit more pressure than you might expect. There you go. And you can hear it click in place. And as long as there's no space in between, then it's back and ready to go. Okay. Now, in case you're not able to pull it out with your hands like this when you're removing it, then you can apply, or you can put something that's not very sharp, something that's not going to destroy this material, like a butter knife, or this is an ice cream spoon that I had, something that can go in here and force this gap open. Okay, so you could just find a weak spot, push it in there, so just push it in there, and once you force it in there, then you can just twist, and that's going to remove the clips like that. Okay, so that's another way you can remove them, and that's basically how to remove and also possibly replace the foam or the ear cups of the Sony Pulse 3D headset. And that's basically how to remove and replace the cups or the pads on your Sony Pulse 3D headset. Thanks for watching, and good luck.